Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zach, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I posted a video on Tuesday on my spring-inspired lookbook. I really like how that video turned out, so if you haven't yet watched that, go ahead and watch that. And make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. I have a couple announcements on my new posting dates. I will also let you know my new posting dates again in this video at the very end, so stay tuned. Make sure you watch all the way to the end so you can get those updates and so you can see how to clean your sneakers. That being said, I'm pretty sure you saw the thumbnail, so you know kind of what we're doing today. We're going to be doing a review on the Reshoevn8r Ultimate Cleaning Kit. Before we get started, let's go over all the items that this kit comes with. The first and most important thing that you get with your sneaker cleaning kit, 2 bottles of this shoe cleaning solution. With that, Reshoevn8r also gives you this nice little collapsible rubber bowl so you can use it to clean your shoes. Let's move on. If you get a brand new pair of shoes or anything like that, before you wear them, go ahead and take this spray right here, which is their advanced deodorizer. Before you wear a brand new pair of shoes, go ahead and spray a couple squirts inside the shoe, and this will just help eliminate any bacteria, which will in turn make sure there's no odor or anything and will keep your shoes very fresh. The next thing that you get in this kit is this one right here. This is the water and stain repellent. This is really nice also to spray on your brand new shoes to keep them nice and clean. It will just keep any stains from appearing on them and also help them be a little bit more water resistant. Before you get your brand new pair of shoes, just spray this all over, let it dry a little bit. For the best results, you can also use a hair dryer. Just take the hair dryer on a low heat and just blow dry all around the shoes until they're all dried, and that will really help leave a nice coating of the stain repellent and help keep your shoes clean. Let's move on to a couple other things. With the Ultimate Kit, you also get 4 brushes. So let's go over those brushes. I have my box right here, which I keep all my Reshoevn8r products in. You get 4 brushes in this set. First brush you get, the one that you'll probably use the most, is this soft bristle brush. So these bristles are very soft and it's really good for shoes that you really want to be a little more careful with. If it's like a shiny coating or something on top of it, you would use this just so it's not as rough on the material. The next brush you get is a medium bristle brush. So this one, the bristles are a little bit stiffer, and this one I would use on like a mesh fabric or any other fabric that's a little bit tougher and that you really need to work to get the stains out. The third brush, you get the stiff bristle brush. So this is really good for the outsoles of your shoes and also the bottoms of your shoes. It helps get all that dirt and gross stuff out. And the last brush you get is this brass brush. This one is really good as well for getting all that gross dirt out of the bottom of your shoes, and it's also good for resetting the nap of the suede if you're cleaning suede shoes. We're not done quite yet. You get a lot of things in this kit, which is really helpful. You get this suede eraser. This is really helpful if you get like a little mark on your suede shoes. Just take this eraser and it should do a pretty good job at lightening it or removing it completely, depending on how bad it is. We're not quite done yet. We have a couple more things. With this one, you don't only get the cleaner, but you also get these. You get 2 of these washer bags. Also, I don't have it with me right now, but Reshoevn8r also provides you with a sneaker cleaning laundry detergent. So you're just going to take the pair of sneakers that you want to wash, stick it in these bags, throw them in, use the detergent, and make sure whenever you're washing your sneakers, always wash them in cold water just to protect the fabric and keep them nice. Final thing you get with this kit is you get this white microfiber cloth. This is really good for just wiping the suds off your shoes to see how your progress is doing, and that's everything that comes in the kit. So let's get started. I have 3 pairs of shoes that we're going to clean today. This first one, we have my Nike React Prestos. I wore these to Disneyland, so they're pretty dirty. As you can see, there's like a lot of dirt here, a lot of on the soles. They didn't get as dirty as I thought they would, but they're still pretty dirty, so we'll clean these. And I found with these ones right here, the dirt kind of gets trapped in the mesh, so these are the shoes that we're going to be using the laundry bags with and running them through the wash. So that's the first pair. Our second pair, we're going to be washing these Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s. And these ones aren't too dirty, but I just want to clean up the sole just a little bit, make it a little bit nicer. The third shoe is just another pair of Jordan 1s in this yellow colorway. then I don't know if it picks up quite on camera, but there's some black smudges right here, and then on that outsole just a little bit, and on these ones I'll also be cleaning the sole quite a bit as well. I'm going to walk you through all the steps of cleaning each shoe, and then at the end we'll just talk about some of the products, how I feel about the sneaker cleaning kit. So let's get started. Okay, let's get to cleaning these shoes. So the first pair we're going to do is the Nike React Prestos. We're going to clean one pair first and then leave another pair dirty just to see the difference, and then we'll go ahead and clean the other pair as well. You're going to fill your bowl about halfway with warm water, and you're going to take your sneaker cleaning solution. I usually do about 2 squirts. You can do a little bit more depending on how dirty your shoes are. And one thing I did forget to mention, another thing your sneaker kit also includes is 2 pairs of your sneaker trees, I guess you would call them. These will go right inside your sneakers and help you have a sturdy base to clean them on. So we'll take them out of this pair and we'll put them in this pair. Another thing I also really like to do is, if you can remove the soles, go ahead and do that, because we'll also clean the soles as well. First, we're going to insert our shoe tree, and then before you start cleaning your shoes, make sure you remove your lace. Set those to the side for now. These shoes, I'm going to start with the medium bristle brush, since this is a little bit of a mesh fabric, so you don't have to be super gentle with this one. So go ahead and dip your brush in the solution, shake some excess water off, and you're just going to start scrubbing. Make sure also to get the outsoles as well. With this one, we're just trying to get all the loose dirt out, and then we'll go in with a stiffer bristled brush and get more of that dirt out. Once you've scrubbed your shoe enough, this is where you take your white microfiber cloth, and you're just going to wipe down all the suds off the shoe. And then as you can see, there's a little bit of dirt still here. With these shoes, because it's a mesh, sometimes the dirt gets trapped in between the mesh. So with this pair, we're going to be washing them in the washing machine. Once that's done, we're going to take our stiff bristle brush, dip it in the water, and we're going to go all over the shoe again. Now we're going to scrub the outsole. You can scrub pretty hard. You're not going to mess with any fabric or anything. There, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to work on the soles of the shoe. These are pretty dirty, so it's probably going to need a little bit of work. I like to start with a stiff bristle brush. After that, going with the brass brush, and then stiff bristle brush again, just to really get that dirt out. So let's dip our brush again and start scrubbing. The bottom already looks so much better. We scrubbed all that dirt out. One last thing we can do, take the insole of your shoe. This time we're going to go in with our soft bristle brush and just lightly scrub, and it will get all that dirt that was on your socks or on your feet out of the insole, and just dry it off with the microfiber cloth. And we're back from cleaning those shoes. I really hope this video was helpful in deciding if you wanted to go ahead and buy Reshoevn8r products. I just wanted to let you guys know this video is not sponsored or endorsed by Reshoevn8r. I bought all these products with my own money, and my opinions are my own. Only one thing that I didn't like about the sneaker kit, and I'll tell you right now, that was the microfiber cloth. I really wish they didn't give you a white microfiber cloth, just because when you're wiping everything down, you can just see all the dirt that you pulled off of your shoes. And I've washed it a couple times and that dirt doesn't really come out. It's kind of like stained into the towel. That's just like a really minor issue I have with the Reshoevn8r Ultimate Cleaning Kit. Other than that, I think this is an amazing shoe kit. It comes with everything you need. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope it was informative and to let you know if you want to buy Reshoevn8r products. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. And if you're liking my channel so far, please hit that subscribe button as well. I have some really fun and interesting videos coming soon, so stay tuned for those. I also wanted to talk about my posting schedule. Just like the last video, I mentioned how instead of posting a video every Thursday, I'm going to be posting a video every single Friday, so stay tuned for those. Thank you so much for watching. I had a really good time making this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Again, my name is Zach, and I'll see you next time.